Hello everyone. In this class we're going to discuss about the goods receipt. First thing, what is this goods receipt and where means who will going to create the goods receipt? We will going to see about that. The main thing is goods receipt. Again, it is a external document from the purchase order. Okay, whatever the things will come, they are all the external documents only. External means they are linked with the vendor. Okay, so here goods receipt is nothing but a external document, and it is inward to the plant. Okay, so when the based upon the PO, vendor will going to create all the materials, then he will going to bring the materials to the plant. That time he will going to bring the goods receipt also along with that. Okay, so goods receipt means we are giving this much amount of goods to your company, so please check it like that. Okay, so that is nothing but the goods receipt here. So when and where this goods receipt will going to be helpful for us. Okay, so just see, whenever a PO is created, okay, PO is created, based upon the PO, vendor will be creating the or preparing the materials. Okay, so when the materials he is going to prepare, he has to bring those materials to the company, whoever is ordered. There some people will be there. Okay, the material may go into the inspection. The material, if the material is not satisfied its quality, then it will go to the block stock. So everything you can make it in the where in the goods receipt. Okay, goods receipt is a very important document. Okay, so you can do the goods receipt with respect to the PO, or else without the PO also you can able to do the goods receipt. All those things we'll going to see. And whatever the goods will be there, okay, here we're going to create based upon the purchase order now. Okay, so purchase order is used to receive the goods from the vendor, and whatever the purchase order is there, it is posted in the general ledger account. Basically, I'll just jump into the SAP system and we're going to see how it is going to act. Before that, I'll just show you a little idea about the goods receipt here. Okay, so our company will going to create the PO first. Okay, our company will going to create the PO. Once this PO is moved to the vendor, okay, he'll start preparing the products. Okay, he'll start preparing the products. Once he is having the entire set of products, okay, he might be preparing some products. Okay, so once he is going to do all the products, that time what he will do, he will going to bring these products to the company, whatever the order might be. Okay, that much amount of order. Let us consider we might have created the PO for 100 materials. Okay, we might have created the PO for 100 materials. So within these barrels, okay, let us consider these are some barrels or some boxes. Okay, what he has done, he brought the 10 products within each box. Okay, this is let us consider this is a barrel or some box. Within these boxes he has brought 10 products, like 10 materials with the 10 within each barrel. Okay, like 100 materials he is bringing it. So when he is going to bring it, that time we have to create, means he is going to bring the GR over here, goods receipt. Okay, it is inward to the plant. Okay, we will going to receive the GR from the vendor, goods receipt. So once we will going to see the goods receipt, now based upon that our people will going to, means company people will going to check the stock, whether the entire stock or the order stock is available or not. If the order stock is not available, what we will going to do is we will going to do the GR for the whatever the amount of quantity we are receiving. Or else he might have brought all the products, but we found that around 10 products are not good here. So in that case we will going to create the GR for 90 products. That is also possible. And based upon the GR we will going to pay the amount to the vendor. Here PO, from the PO, the while creating the invoice receipt, from the PO it will going to take the price of the material. From the GR it will take the quantity of the material. Okay, because in PO you might have ordered for 100 products, but you have created the GR for 90 products, means only for 90 products you have to pay to the vendor. Okay, you are not paying for the 100 quantity, correct? So that is why we will going to use the GR over here. GR is a very important document from where your accounting entries will going to hit. What is this accounting entries and all, we will going to check it in the SAP screen itself. So I'll just jump into the SAP now, and what are the consultant activities while for creating the GR, we'll just check it. Okay, go to the SPRO, IMG, here again material management. Under the material management, go to the inventory management and physical inventory. Under this you can see goods receipt. So here there are so many different things are there, but we will going to use very few. One thing is the set tolerance limit. Okay, like whatever the materials you are buying, okay, for that you can able to set the tolerance limit over here. So we are not going to bother about this, as it is a standard procedure we are maintaining. And create storage location automatically. So whatever the storage location we have done, that one if you want, okay, you can create them automatically. Here see, create storage location automatically. If you are ticking it here, then it is automatic storage location it will going to consider. Ours is LP01. If you go here, we have not yet entered it. Okay, once we enter our storage location, automatic storage location, then it will going to take that. Okay, next, movement types. Okay, these movement types I am going to explain you now. Okay, please bear for some time. So these are very important. Okay, whenever these movement types will going to hit, that time only you can say the money is transferring to the different accounts, because you have received the materials. For that you need to pay to the vendor. How the payment will going to happen, that one we will going to check. Okay, I'll just go back here, and here certain create purchase order automatically, and define screen layouts, you have already seen it. Okay, whatever the screen layout you require, you will going to take it, or else you will going to, means if you want to have the required entry or the display entry or optional, all those things you can able to do it over here. Okay, that is possible at this particular end. Now this is what all about the consultant activity. Now I'll directly move to the end user activity, what end users will going to do. Okay, for end users, please take the path SAP menu. Here logistics, under logistic material management. Under the material management, we'll go for inventory management. So here goods movement. Under that, this MIGO is the transaction for the goods receipt. Okay, MIGO. Okay, and here transfer posting is also required, and this goods issue also required. All these things you can do it in the MIGO. Okay, we'll just go to the MIGO screen. This is how your MIGO screen looks like, but here you have the different options. First thing is the display. Okay, so whatever the material documents you have created, you can able to display it over here. And goods receipt, next thing is about the goods receipt. If you are clicking over here on which based upon which document you will be creating the goods receipt, whether you are creating the goods receipt on the purchase order, or the inbound delivery, or material document, or the means I am not going to use any of the things. I will just create the goods receipt without anything, and just by putting the material and all. Then you can use this one, outbound delivery, purchase orders. So you can use n number of things over here, but our case we are using our purchase order to create the goods receipt. Okay, so we will going to use that. And plant I have mentioned here, and here are the goods GR goods receipt is there. This is what space where we will going to use the movement type. Okay, these movement types are really important. Some important movement types I'm just mentioning over here, but whenever we'll be in the class, that time we'll going to see different types of movement types. Okay, but as of now, please take this 101. This 101 is nothing but it is the goods receipt for purchase order into the warehouse. Okay, we are taking the goods into the warehouse based on the purchase order. This is what the meaning. And just check the 1 or 2 here. This is same thing, goods receipt for a purchase order into warehouse, but reversal means if you want to return the materials, okay, based on this purchase order, returning based on the purchase order. Please understand here, because we are returning the products based on the purchase order, based upon the means directly material document we can reverse it, or else return PO will come. For different things, different movement types will going to apply here. Okay, but here goods receipt for a purchase order into warehouse, reversal for 1 or 2. And important thing is again 122, please take it. Okay, this is return delivery to the vendor. Here by using this we will going to return the materials to the vendor. And why they are using 122 for the return delivery to the vendor and 161 for the return PO. Okay, all these things we will going to check. Okay, as of now just take those things. Okay, 161 for returns for a purchase order. Okay, you have created one purchase order, for that you are returning the material like that. This will be there. Okay, because we have created the reversal purchase order, that time we will going to means this movement type will going to come automatically. And 201 for a consumption for cost center from warehouse. Let us consider you have bought certain materials and you are storing it in your warehouse. From there, if you want to issue those goods to the cost center, then we will going to use the movement type as 201. Okay, and next thing is 261 you can take. Okay, consumption for the order, just a minute, consumption from the order from the warehouse. Okay, for one particular order, okay, like sales order, something might they have created, for that we will going to use this. Okay, 261. And next is okay 501 you can use. Okay, this is we are creating the goods receipt without purchase order. See here, receipt without purchase order into unrestricted use. If you are using this thing now, then we will going to create the purchase order, goods receipt, but we are not using any purchase order over here. Okay, we will going to see about this also. And 351, okay, transfer posting of the stock, transit from the unrestricted use. All these things we will going to see whenever we will going to discuss about the STO. STO is nothing but stock transfer order. That time we are going to check. And 502, we are reversing it. Okay, goods without purchase order, we are reversing the stock, means we will going to use the 502. Next, what else it is required is 561. Okay, 561 for receipt per initial entry of the stock, means let us consider some company, they have recently taken the SAP, and means if they have taken the SAP, means they want to initiate or insert whatever the materials they are using it presently, they want to insert it into the SAP now. That time how they can do it? Okay, that time we will going to use the movement type as 561 and we will going to insert those materials. Okay, this is the initial entry of the stock. Okay, 561. Okay, next okay, all these things are some movement types. And if you want, okay, if you want some customized movement types, that also you can able to create. Okay, so they are called as a G codes. They will going to means you can able to create that. Okay, so we'll just go to the standard movement types and we'll going to do one particular goods receipt right now. Okay, I am just using the goods receipt. Okay, I am using the 101 movement type. What is 101 movement type? Goods receipt for the purchase order, means we are using the purchase order, some purchase order. So based upon that purchase order, we are receiving the goods, like that I am mentioning here. Okay, I just want to check what is the purchase order for us. Okay, which is the T code ME2N. I'll go. Okay, in ME2N, this one is what is our purchasing org, LT01, and plant is also LT01. I'll just execute this. Okay, based upon that we're going to receive our purchase orders. See, these are 3 purchase orders which are available for us. Okay, so we'll just create for one particular purchase order right now. Okay, and then we'll going to see for this also we're going to create the goods receipt, but we're going to change something and we're going to check it out. Okay, now I'll just copy this thing, Control Y, copy it. Okay, now I'll just put this goods receipt over here, just click enter. Okay, so see here some general data is there, vendor data is there, here some document types will going to come. Okay, we're going to check that in the later stage. I have just given the purchase order number here and clicking enter, and please see a plant is BIP1, so I will change it to LP01. Just click enter. See, our whatever the goods we have ordered, it is coming here, and you can see movement type is 101, that is unrestricted use. Okay, here it is coming, and where it is coming to this particular plant. So here also in the item level also you can able to check it out. Okay, material is LT01 raw material, this is our material. Okay, and quantity, how much quantity is coming, 200. If you want you can vary it. Okay, later on we'll do it. And where it is coming, it is coming to the storage location, LT01 storage location. Okay, because if you have not given the storage location, then it will going to take the address of the plant. If you have given the storage location, then it will going to take the storage location address. Okay, then purchase order data, we have this purchase order, based upon this purchase order we are creating this. Okay, and go to the partner. Who is the partner or the vendor? SP Industries is the vendor. Here also you can able to check, this SP Industries is the vendor through whom we are taking the products or the materials. Okay, I have just what I'll do, we have to check this data. Okay, we have to say whatever the line item is there, this is okay, we need to mention it is as a okay. I'll say item okay, and I'm going to check it. Now it is going to show certain errors. So first thing is posting only possible in the period 2006-12 and 2006-11. Okay, here means it is a very long back. Okay, this posting is really a long back, so we need to change it. How we can able to change it? Now I'll stop this. Okay, because we can't proceed further, we need to rectify this error. How one can able to rectify this, we're going to check it out. Okay, posting period problem. Now I'll take the new screen, I'll try to see here where you can check it. MMPV is the transaction to check the means to change the periods. Okay, like posting periods. I'll first show you where you can see it. You can see it in the MMRV screen. MMRV is the one where you can able to see at what posting period your plant is available now. LT01 I'll go. See this LT01 company code, it is now current period is running is 12/2006. From 2006 we need to change all the periods. How we can able to close the period? We can able to close one by one, 1 month after 1 month, like that. I'll just show you in the MMPV. See here, current period is 12/2006. Now I have to close this, means I have to open the 1/2007. Okay, every month we need to close it. Like that, if you are coming, then it will take a lot of time. Okay, but first we'll just see that. Okay, LT01, and I'll change 01/2007. Okay, and execute this. Okay, it is saying the specified year is not a current calendar year. That is fine for us. Okay, it is completed. Now again what I'll do, I'll just go to the MMRB and LT01. See, now current period is 1/2007. Like that, if I'm coming 2/2007, 3/2007, like that, if I'm closing everything, I need to come until 2022, which is a very tedious task. So what we can do, we can directly go to the OMSY. This is another transaction, okay, through which you can able to change this year. Okay, I'll just try it out now. Company code is LT01, and here instead of 2007 I'll just do 22, and this is the 10. Okay, company code LT01 no longer be initialized. Why it is no longer be initialized? Because plant is attached to it. Okay, so whenever you are having this particular error, no, you need to what you can do is you need to first what is that wherever you have assigned the plants, no, we need to unassign those plants to this particular company code, then change this date, again you can assign those particular plants. Okay, what I'll do the same thing now. What I will do, okay, I'll just go to SPRO IMG enterprise structure definition, not assignments, logistic general, assign plant to the company code. Our plant is LT01. It is not coming like this. I'll go to selection by content, plant LT01. I'll say choose. See, this one is there, no, I'll just unassign it. I'll delete this, save this data, go back, data change, save changes first, yes. What I'll do, I'll again go to the we'll take just a new screen. I will go to OMSY. Now try to change it. Okay, LT01. For this I just want to change this year to 22 and this is 11 actually. Okay, I'll just click enter, save it now. See how it is saving. I'll just take, this is a Bosch project, I'll take my own request and I'll take the LT01 project and I'll save it. Okay, the data was saved. Again we'll going to go back over here and we'll going to assign our plant. Okay, I'll say new entries here, LT01 and LT01. See, I have assigned it. Now we'll going to check the same thing now. Okay, so whatever the posting period was there, we'll just check that. Okay, what is the T code? MMRV. Okay, LT01. See what is the current period? It is 11/2021 and as the date is 11/2022, okay, 2022, we can able to proceed further. Now if we are creating the what is that MIGO, it will not going to throw this error now. Some errors will going to come but not this error. I'll just click enter. Okay, so I'll just say item okay here and I'll go for the check. See, price change amount to percentage in month. Okay, that is fine. These are the cautions. Okay, price change amount 50% in the month 11/2022. What it is saying is we have maintained a price of this material, something in the material master and something in the PO. So we'll just check it now. What we have maintained this PO. Okay, just double click on this. See, for this within this PO we have maintained like net price is 30 rupees. Okay, but for the same material, what we have maintained in the material master /n MM02, we're going to check it. We don't require all this data, only I require the accounting data. I'll just give my plant LT01, click enter. See, 20 rupees here I have mentioned, but here in the PO I have mentioned 30 rupees. So the price is varying. So that is what it is showing here. If you say check, okay, so that is already we have used it. Okay, it is locked, it is saying. I'll just close this. Okay, just check it. See, price change amounting to the percentage in month. Okay, like price is varying, like that it is saying us, because in the material master we have maintained it at 20 rupees, but in the PO we have maintained it at 30 rupees. So 50% change is there suddenly. Okay, so that is what it is maintained. These are just a cautions. Okay, you can ignore them. So just say okay for that and post it. Whether posting is happening or not, we will going to check it now. Post it. Again one error. See here, for the object RF_BELEG LT0 number range interval 50 does not exist in FBN1. FBN1 is one particular means we will going to maintain all the number ranges over here for the documents. So here 50 is missing. So what we need to do is, 50 is not missing in the sense for 2022 the 50 number is missing, but if you are checking for 2021 and all, the 50 number is might be available. Okay, so that what we'll do is, we'll going to create this 50 number range. I'll just go to the FBN1 now and go to the new page. I'll keep this. Okay, I'll keep this because I need to show you the purchase order history. Here you cannot see the purchase order history tab. Okay, once you have created the purchase order, that time you cannot able to see the purchase order history tab at the item level. Once I'll going to create the goods receipt, you can able to see that particular tab here. Okay, that one I'll going to show you. So what I will do, I'll go to the FBN1 now and go to our company code. What is my company code? That is LT01. I'll go to, if you want you can go to display intervals, but I want to edit it now. I'll just go to the intervals, edit intervals. I'll add interval. What is my interval? I'm adding 50 because 50 is missing. It is saying 2022 number. I'll just copy this number and paste it over there. Okay, that is possible because these number ranges means they are for the different years. Just check it. It is 01 1992. If it is 50,022 and this number range is available, means it will going to show the number range is overlapping. If it is not available, then it will going to take automatically. Just I'll click enter. See, it is taken, and I'll save this number range. Save it. Again I'll go back to the purchase order, goods receipt. Okay, here I'll just close this. Again I'll going to check it. Okay, just ignore these things. I'll post it. Now you can see material document 76 is posted. Means we have successfully created the goods receipt. That is what the meaning is all about. Now what I will do, I'll just go to this standard purchase order and I'll going to I'll just copy this. I'll go to the other purchase orders. Same purchase order is there. Just click enter. You can see purchase order history tab. Okay, I'll just click on this. You can able to see whatever it is happened for this goods receipt. This purchase order. On this purchase order, okay, on this purchase order, we have created a goods receipt. Goods receipt for how much? We have ordered 200 materials. Vendor brought 200 material to us, so that we have created the goods receipt for 200 materials. How much amount we need to pay him? We need to pay around 6,000 rupees to the vendor because 30 rupees per material we have maintained in the purchase order. So that is why we need to pay 6,000 rupees, total amount of 6,000 to the vendor now. So this is what we can able to see here, and from here only you can directly go to the goods receipt, or else just go here in the goods receipt, just go to the display, and here you will going to say material document. So this is our material document. Just execute this. See, this is what we have created just now. You can able to just display this thing, and here we can check the document information. Okay, here see one more tab is appearing now. This is the document info. Just click on this, go to the FI documents. As I said, no, what are the accounting entries will going to hit. Okay, so for that we will going to see this accounting document. Double click on this one document. Okay, here a sign will going to vary. Okay, for credit we will going to use the negative sign, for debit we will going to use the positive sign actually. Okay, this for means basically I'll just write it over here. Accounting entries after the GR. Okay, very important. Okay, most of the time in the interviews they're going to ask about these things. Accounting entries are must. Okay, you need to remember them however you want to. So first thing is the BSX will going to say. BSX is nothing but the inventory account. Okay, BSX is nothing but the inventory account. So we need to maintain it. Okay, inventory account we need to check it. So or else we can say stock account or the inventory account. Okay, so I'll just mention that part over here. First thing is the BSX, that is nothing but the inventory account or stock account, okay, that will going to get debit actually. Okay, debit, as I said, if for debit it is positive sign. Okay, for debit it is positive sign. And which account is hitting? 3 lakh account is hitting. Okay, I'll just mention this also. I'll show you how it is happening. Here 3 lakh account is hitting here. Okay, for the what is that, inventory raw material, and it is debiting. Next thing is goods receivable and goods GRIR clearing account will going to say. Okay, goods receipt and invoice receipt clearing account, that is GRIR clearing, that is crediting here, crediting with 6,000 rupees. Okay, these are the some transaction keys. Okay, BSX, and now GRIR clearing is nothing but a WRX. Okay, this is GRIR clearing account. Okay, these are accounts and it is crediting. What is the account here? Just check. See, 191100. 191100 is the account. 191100, where you can able to see these accounts. Okay, you are telling, okay, this account is hitting, where it is hitting. Okay, these are the some transaction keys. Anyway, I will going to explain it when I will be explaining the MMFI integration, but as of now we will going to check it. Okay, so this BSX, okay, I'll just take you to the OBYC settings, OBYC, where we'll going to see all these transactions. Okay, first I'll just take you to the inventory posting. Okay, our inventory account. Inventory accounts are in the BSX. Double click on this, and this is our chart of account. Just execute, and what I have maintained here, 3000 is the account, and for LT0 we need to check for this. Okay, which is the okay, I'll just show you in the material. For the raw material, what is the valuation class we have used? It is 3000. Okay, valuation class is 3000. You can go and check back. Okay, what is the valuation class we have used in the material master? So 3000. For 3000 we need to check it. Okay, and valuation grouping code is 0001 for us. Okay, we'll just check for those particular things. 0001 is there, and for the valuation class is 3000. For this, which account is sitting here? 3 lakh is the account. Here is the account. 3 lakh is the account. If you are selecting 3001, then this account will going to hit. Okay, if you are using the 3001 valuation class in the material master, then this account will going to get hit. Okay, so like that, for different valuation classes, we'll be having a different accounts over here. So that is how the accounting will going to hit after the GR. That is first thing. Okay, this is the inventory account. From here it is debiting, means it is imaginary accounts. You can see the money is actually it is not transferring, but it is saying this much amount we need to pay to the vendor. So from here it is debiting, means from where to where it will going to get credit. It will be crediting to the WRX, that is nothing but the GRIR clearing account. Just double click on this. Okay, here also for 3000, just observe the accounting entry. What is this account? 191100. Here you can observe the same thing, 191100. So this is where it is going to get credit. From here it will going to get debit, inventory account, that is BSX, and in the WRX it will going to get credit. Okay, so this is what happening in the goods receipt and this accounting entries. Okay, please do remember. Okay, it is must. In interviews they will going to definitely ask these accounting entries. So this is how we will going to see the goods receipts, and here you can observe the purchase order, and in the delivery you can just see that. Okay, so sorry, not in the delivery. I'll go to the header and go to the status. Just see in the status how much is still to be delivered. It is 0 because we have delivered everything. Ordered is 200, delivered is 200. Okay, so invoiced is 0. Okay, because we have not invoiced anything. Okay, we'll going to see how we can able to invoice the document. Okay, in the next class. But as of now we have not invoiced that. So but whatever the delivery is there, the total 200 things are delivered to the company, like that we are saying here. But what if we are taking a very we have ordered around 100 quantity, but we are taking a less quantity? How we can able to do it? I'll just take that example also. Okay, let us consider this purchase order now. I'll go to the purchase goods receipt page. I'll just say goods receipt through the purchase order. I have taken this now. I'll take 8 now. Click enter. Here we have ordered 100 materials. See, it is the quantity is coming automatically from the purchase order. So what I'll do, vendor bought around 60 materials only. He is unable to create another 40 materials. He is requesting us another 40 materials. He is going to bring within a week. Okay, like that he'll be bring it. So whatever, if he is bringing only 60 materials, I'll just stay 60 here and click enter. How much we have ordered? 100 we have ordered. How much we have received? Only 60. Where you have received? In this particular storage location. On which purchase order? This is the purchase order. And who is the partner? PA Industries is the partner. Okay, so this is how they are bringing it. I'll say item okay for 60 materials. Okay, I'll check it. Okay, deficit PO. See here, deficit of PU order quantity 40 each. Means 40 quantities of deficit based upon the purchase order, like that it is saying. I say okay because this is just a caution, and I'll post it now. What I have posted? I have posted a document. I'll just check this purchase order. Double click on this. Okay, here we can see purchase order history. Go here. We have created the goods receipt, but it is for the 60 materials only, or 60 quantity only. And when you will going to check the status here, ordered is 100, delivered is 60, but still to be delivered is 40. It is saying, means it is the open purchase order. It is still a open purchase order. Okay, it is still a open purchase order. See, I am purchasing this particular material 5 followed by some zeros 2. Okay, I'll just copy it. Now we need to check the stock overview. Stock overview means how much stock is into our storage location. That one we need to observe. How we can able to observe this? Just go to the transaction MMBE. MMBE is the transaction for checking the stock overview. I'll just take a LT01 only here. Okay, how many stocks are available? Okay, so I'll just execute this. See, earlier I have made the 200 means 200 I have taken in the initial goods receipt. Now I have taken 60, so total is 260 goods are coming. Okay, they are available already, not coming. They are already available in our storage location. And just go forward here, just observe this on order stock. How many are there? 90 are there. How? Here 100 was there. I have taken only 60 from here, means 40 is remaining. Okay, 40 is still to be delivered. And where this another 50 is coming from? Where this another 50 we should know. Okay, just go back here. Here another purchase order is there. Within this we have ordered another 50 materials. It is also still in a open condition. Nothing is delivered over here. Just check it. Okay, just check the status here. Check the status. Okay, 50 ordered, 50 need to be delivered. Okay, delivered is 0. It is need to be still to be delivered is 50. So that 40 plus 50 total 90 quantities has to be delivered. So it is a on order stock. But we have taken 200 quantities at the initial goods receipt and 60 quantities. Okay, after one more PO. Okay, like that 260 stocks are available in our warehouse. Okay, warehouse in the sense under this storage location, we can say. So this is how we'll going to do the goods receipt. We can take the goods partially or fully, both are possible. Okay, whenever you are taking the goods partially, means in the PO it will be updated. Okay, so in the next class when we'll going to see the how we'll going to create the invoice. Okay, that time we'll going to again come back to the PO and we'll going to see the purchase order history. Okay, once we'll going to see the purchase order history here, it is just showing order delivered, okay, still to be delivered is 0. Invoiced, we will going to see the invoiced. Okay, now we have not yet paid to the vendor, okay, we have not yet initiated only. So paying is from the FI consultants, okay, after the IR the payment will going to happen, but we need to initiate the payment, means we need to invoice, okay, invoice should be there, then only they will going to pay it to the vendor. So how we will going to do it, we will going to check it in the next class. So thank you guys for your patience listening. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.